Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to log into TikTok using your mobile phone number. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app is open, you have to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner and then tap on sign up. Now you have to tap on login at the bottom of the screen. Now before moving forward, you have to remember that you have to have your phone number connected to your TikTok account to follow this process. Now tap on using phone number, email or username and then type in your phone number here and then tap on send code. A 6-digit code will be sent to your phone number and the TikTok app will receive it as soon as you have received the SMS and you will be logged into your account. And that is how you can log into TikTok using your phone number. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.